Hi there, Dr. Paris Love, calling across America. So we have our shelving unit here. It arrived. Actually thought the box is going to be way bigger than what it actually came in. So I was able to get it up here myself. Didn't need any muscle for that. And now I am putting together the shelf. And so I actually like these because they are easy to put together. I'm actually putting it together by myself, but if you want to have another person, you can do that. But you can actually do it by yourself. You just make sure that you put the shelf down on the right side because there are two sides to it. And so this side that has the little groove actually goes at the bottom, so your things sit on top and it's flush right here. But if you want that look where it's, you have a little little lift in there, you could do that as well. So it's kind of up to you. But if you do one, make sure you do all of them the same way. So I'm putting this together, and we were actually thinking about getting 2 shelving units in here, but we do have a huge tent that we have to sit upright, and you can't see it here, but let me turn it around. There are some other items that are really long, and the size of the storage unit would actually, we wouldn't have any room in the back if we did 2 shelving units. And I didn't want a lot of stuff on the sides because we do have banners and things like that. So I kind of wanted those here, and I don't want a cluttered look. I know it's a storage unit and a lot of people like to stuff a lot of stuff in there, but I still want it to be pretty and functional. That's just how I work. So I'm putting this together and we'll be done shortly. And again, just make sure that when you put them in, hopefully you can see this, you have these. Let me open up the set for you, if I can get it open. These little, we call them little hoogie bobbers, and it says top straight up. So make sure that you always put them up top, because sometimes you put one at the bottom, like they're not like flush together. Make sure that you're using the ones that say top, and they just snap in like that, and that's where your shelf sits on top of that. And make sure you push it down good so it's stable. So yeah, so I'm doing that. And I'm also, what I did, because a lot of times you put the shelf together and you're like, oh my goodness, I need the shelf to be higher or lower, and I gotta take the whole thing apart. Actually have, as you can see, a storage bin already. So I put that in to kind of get my height. And so I just measured a few little blocks up. And so that's where the second shelf is gonna go, right here. And then I will put another one on top of this and then measure up top. So we have everything equally spaced out. All right, so I will see you on the other side.